Hello everyone, how are you all? Welcome back to my channel Easy Drawing for Kids. So let's start our today's drawing. Today I will show you how to draw some new 2D shape and how to color it. So let's start drawing and coloring with me. This is heart shape. After that this is square shape. The third one is pentagon shape. Circle shape. Hexagon shape. The last one is oval shape. So here is our 2D shape drawing ready. So let's learn some colors. Green color, royal blue color, sky blue color, yellow color, peach color, brown color. So here is the color. So let's start coloring. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.